I'm Sundaramala. I welcome you all to VMix Solutions to discuss about unary operator in Java. Let us see today's agenda. What is operator and types of operator? What is unary operators and type of unary operator? What is unary plus operator? What is unary minus operator? What is increment operator? What is decrement operator? What is logical complement operator? Programming with unary operator, and finally interview questions. Here we go. What is operator? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Example, 5 and 10 are operand, plus is the operator. Types of operator. Operators are classified based on the functionality they provide. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, logical operator, relational operator, unary operator, bitwise operator, ternary operator, shift operator. Already we have discussed about arithmetic, assignment, logical and relational operator. Today we are going to focus on unary operators. What is unary operator? The unary operator is an operator that can be used only within an operand. It is used to represent positive or negative value, increment or decrement the value by 1, and complement a Boolean value. Types of unary operator. Plus unary operator. It is used to denote a positive value. Minus unary operator is used to denote a negative value. Decrement operator decrements a value by 1. Increment operator increments a value by 1. Logical complement operator reverses the value of Boolean variable. Unary plus. Unary plus is used to represent positive values. Usually we do not write the operator before the operand. Hence, it is optional. Example, x equal to plus 100 or x equal to 100. They both are same. X equal to 100 and x equal to plus 100. They both are same. Unary minus operator. Unary minus is used to convert a positive value into negative one. Example, x equal to 100. Now I am going to negative the value with the help of minus operator, x equal to minus 100. Now the value is negative value. I am converting positive value to negative value. Unary operators, increment operator. We can use the increment operator in two forms. The one is the pre-increment unary operator, the other is the post-increment unary operator. Pre-increment unary operator is written before the operand. The value is first incremented by 1 and then taken for the computing purpose. For example, int a is equal to 12. I am declaring a variable. Then I am assigning the a value to b with increment 1. Okay. So first what it will do, increment the value 12 to 13. Now the a value is 13. The 13 value assigned to b. Now a is equal to 13 and b is equal to 13. Right? Post increment unary operator. The increment operator is written after the operand. The variable holds first used for the computing purpose and then incremented by 1. For example, int c is equal to 12. Now I am assigning c value to d. First the c value assigned to d, then the c value is increased. Before what it is, first the value increased, then the increased value assigned to that b. Now the c value assigned to d, then the value is increased. So d is equal to 12. 12 is assigned to d. Then the value increased, c is equal to 13. C plus plus. 12 plus 1, 13. Then this is the pre-increment and post-increment unary operators. Same as the decrement operator. We can use the decrement operator in two forms. They are pre-decrement operator and post-decrement operator. Pre-decrement operator is written before the operand. The value is first decremented by 1 and then used for the computing purpose. Now I am declaring A is equal to 12. B is equal to minus minus A. The minus 12 minus, first this is decremented by 1, 11. Okay. Now the A value is 11, that is assigned to B. So A is equal to 11 and B is equal to 11. Post decrement. The decrement operator is written after the operand. The value is used and then decrements by 1. Example. Int C is equal to 12, D is equal to C minus minus. Here the C value first assigned to D, then it will decrement by 1. Isn't it? The value first used and then decrements by 1. Isn't it? Now the C value is, D value is 12, then the C value is decrement by 1, that is 11. Now you got it. Then logical complement operator. Complement operator is used to reverse the value of an operand. It means if an operand has value 2, the complement if the operator will be false. It is used to reverse the value of an operand. Example. Boolean A is equal to true, not true. That means it convert the value true to false. The complement operator convert the Boolean value. Now we will see the programming using unary operator. Then only you can get grip on the unary operator concept. I have created one class unary operator. Within I have created one main method. Okay. Now we will see the unary plus. The plus is the optional. If you give, not give, that is not a matter. It will be the positive value. It will print 100. Then unary minus. I am negative the value with the help of minus operator. Y is equal to 100. Now I am giving minus. It will print minus value. Pre-increment operator. That means first the value is incremented, then that is assigned to B. Right? Then post-increment operator. The C value C++, we have to give C++. The C++, first C assigned to D, then the increment, post increment in the sense C++. Okay, some mistake is there, we will correct it while do programming. Sorry for the mistake. C++, first is the C value assigned to D, then the C value is incremented. This is the post increment. Then J equal to 12, post decrement. I equal to 12. This value is decreased. Then the value is assigned to J. I value is assigned to J. Here, post decrement, the K is equal to 12. The K value assigned to L, then the K value is decreased. Then logical complement operator. Boolean flag equal to false. Just I'm printing flag, it print false. Not flag, it will print true. It reverse the value. Complement operator which is used to reverse the Boolean value. Let us jump into program Intel IJ to see the output of this program. I have created class unary operators within main method. First we will see unary plus. If you give plus, or plus is optional. Whatever it is, if you give or not, it will take us a plus value only. See, it will print 100. Unary plus. You are waiting for output. Yes, 100. Okay. Now we will see the unary minus. Unary minus used to negative the value. Isn't it? See, Unary minus is used to negative the value. Minus 100. See, minus 100 is printed. First I am declaring y is equal to 100, then negative the value. I am making negative minus 100. So it will print negative value. Then unary, pre-decrement and post-decrement. First, unary pre-increment. A is equal to 12, B is equal to plus plus A. First, it increased the value, then the increased value assigned to B. That means the A value is now 13, that 13 value assigned to B. So A is equal to 13 and B is equal to 13, right? The same as here, C is equal to 12, D is equal to C plus plus. That means the C value first declared to assigned to D. Then the C value increased. So D is equal to 12, C plus plus, now only it gets C value increased. C plus plus is 13. Let us see the output. See, 13, 13. That means the increment happened, then the value assigned. So both values are 13, 13. Here, first the value assigned to D, then the increment happened. So here C is 13 and D is 12. Let us see the pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement and post-decrement. In pre-decrement, I is equal to 12. J is equal to minus minus I. First the decrement happened, then the value assigned to J. Now the 12 is decremented by 1, that is 11. So the both value should display 11, 11. K is equal to 12, L is equal to K minus minus. Post decrement. First the K value is assigned to L, then the K value decremented by 1. The both value print. Let us see the output for pre-increment and pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement. See, first the value is decreased. So I is equal to 11. That is assigned to J. J is equal to 11. Right? Now the post-decrement. Look at here. Post-decrement. K is equal to 12. The K value is assigned to 11 L. So L equal to 12. Then the K value decreased. The K value decreased by 1. That is why 12 minus 1, 11. Then the complement operator, logical complement operator. It reverses the value. It reverses the Boolean value. Flag is equal to false. Now I am printing flag equal to false. Then I am using the logical complement operator to reverse the value. So the value now reversed to false, right? True value changed to false. Let us see the output. First is a false. It will print false. Then it reverses the value true. The complement operator used to reverse the Boolean value, right? The next is interview questions. What is a unary operator? The operator that acts on a single operand is called unary operator in Java. A unary operator uses a single variable. What is unary minus operator? The operator which is used to negate the given value is called unary minus operator in Java. What is increment operator in Java? The operator which is used to increase the value of the variable by 1 is called increment operator in Java. It can have the following forms: plus plus x or x plus plus. Explain pre-decrement and post-decrement. The pre-increment, when we write plus plus operator before a value, it is pre-increment or prefix. In pre-increment, the increment is done first and then any other operation will be performed. Post increment, when we write plus plus operator after the variable, it is called post decrement. Post increment or postfix. In post increment, all the other operations are performed first, then at the end of increment is done only. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have any queries, just mail me msundaramala@gmail.com. I will catch you with another video. Until be happy and always make others happy. Thank you.